Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing the camera. Set it on a tripod or solid surface to prevent blur. Switch to manual or shutter priority so you control exposure. This is how you capture low-light detail. Choose a wide aperture to let more light in, and start with ISO 400-800 to balance noise and brightness. Once set, compose your frame and lock focus using live view or manual focus. Doing this early prevents chasing exposure while the scene changes. Now refine exposure. Increase shutter speed to 1 to 30 seconds based on available light and movement. Longer exposures gather more detail but can blur moving subjects. Make sure to trigger with a remote or 2-second timer so you don't add camera shake. Check focus carefully, zoom in on live view, and adjust manually if needed. Then bracket shots by varying shutter or ISO to ensure you capture shadow detail and preserve highlights. Once you review the histogram, you'll know whether to tweak settings further. Finish by reviewing images at full magnification so you can see noise and sharpness. This shows you what to change next. If shots are usable, capture RAW so you can apply mild noise reduction and exposure recovery in post. That's why RAW preserves detail. If images are soft or streaked, increase shutter speed, raise ISO a step, or retune manual focus. Alternatively, stabilize the rig better. If nothing helps, change composition to include brighter reference lights, then retry with adjust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.